Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 8 of the February handbag unboxing frenzy, where every day in the month of February I will be unboxing / revealing a new bag that I've added in my collection. These are accumulation of bags that I've bought in the last couple of years that I actually haven't revealed to you guys, so don't think that I've actually bought all of these in the month of February. Completely the opposite. And if you are new to my channel and you've just stumbled upon this video, hi, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor by day and I make YouTube videos in my spare time. If you enjoy these type of videos, I would love for you to subscribe and join my little YouTube family here and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads, because this month is going to be quite an exciting month. We are back on the Chanel bandwagon. I will warn you guys, I do have a lot of Chanel unboxings because your gal's a Chanel gal. Like Louis Vuitton and Chanel are my favorites, but Chanel just has like the most interesting, like unique vintage pieces. That's why I really do adore them. But in saying that, today's unboxing is not actually vintage. It comes in this box right here, so it is actually an unboxing this time around. It is one of the newer pieces, and interestingly, I may already have this bag, but I don't want to ramble on too much, so let's just get onto the unboxing. So it comes in this box right here. Opening it up, Chanel tissue paper in the Chanel dust bag. Here we go. This bag I actually already have in my collection, but I loved it so much that I had to have two. As I mentioned, I've sort of been trying to dress up according to the bag, so I wonder if you guys can guess the color of this bag. And I finally know what the name of this bag is thanks to a fellow subby who commented in my previous videos. Are you ready? Please welcome my latest handbag edition. It is the Chanel Lady handle in the small with grey lambskin leather and aged gold hardware. Doesn't she look stunning? So this is in the grey, and I actually do already have this in the black. As you guys are aware, if you follow me on YouTube or you've watched many of my videos before, I have this in the black and it's one of my most used bags. So when I saw it in the grey, I of course had to give it a go because I do not have many grey bags in my collection. When I went into the store to purchase the original black version, I never saw the grey, but I actually did see it in a brown. It was like a dark brown, so it didn't really interest me. It wasn't like a caramel brown. You honestly couldn't really tell between the black and the brown so much. But I didn't know that they made a grey, and I actually stumbled upon this browsing through Rakuten. As I mentioned in many videos before, Rakuten is often a website that I do use to source bags from Japanese sellers. You used to be able to buy directly from the website, but now you do have to use a forwarding service, but it is still on the website, if that makes sense. This bag unfortunately wasn't like that cheap. I probably paid the same price as my other one, but this is really hard to find. I haven't actually seen this bag on resale at all in the last like 2-3 years that I've owned this bag, or the black version. So when I saw it in the grey, which wasn't over retail, I kind of felt like I had to jump on it and give it a go. And you know, obviously if it doesn't work out for me, I can always resell it, which is the beauty of these bags. But as you can see here, it has the gorgeous sturdy metal top handle. It's got the CC closure here. It's in this gorgeous supple lambskin leather. I think lambskin or calf, it's one of those two. And then opening it up, you can see it's just a very plain interior compartment. It does have the pocket, one pocket at the back, and because it is one of the newer bags, it also has the microchip there, and then it's also got the pocket at the back. It does have this strap which you can double up, or you can wear it as a single crossbody / shoulder bag. This is such a gorgeous bag. I know from experience that it is very functional. I have been wanting to add a grey. I have a small grey mini bag that I do use, but I don't have a grey like sort of actual bag. The only thing is this is sort of like a dove grey color, so I feel like this is a little bit harder to to style than, you know, more neutral darker grays, but I think with a lot of gray monotone looks, this would look really, really amazing. And yeah, I feel like I just had to jump on it because it's such a gorgeous bag. I love this style, and I hadn't seen it. So yeah, those are my two top handle bags right here. I think this is honestly a great alternative to the Chanel Mini. You just can't get it in stores anymore, unfortunately, but they are so cute and versatile. And the benefit of having this over the Mini is that you've got this sort of strap that you can like convert to a shoulder or a crossbody. Let me just show you what this one looks like on me. It is actually quite long if I was to wear it as the actual true length, but if you're taller or normal height, this is actually a very decent size. But what I actually do to shorten it is I tuck this fabric strap just there, and then I pull it up and sort of I wear my bag this way, and that just shortens it to the most perfect length as a crossbody. And then yeah, you can hold it like this as a top handle. If you did want to convert it back to a shoulder though, you just have to take that shoulder strap and do this. So very, very cute color. Excited to add like an actual gray bag to my collection. It'll be interesting to see how much wear I do get out of this. The only thing with this bag that I've noticed is that there is a bit of warping on the top there. I don't have it with this one. This one's pretty straight, but I think it might have just been storage. So I'm hoping that with use this will sort of soften up and even out somehow. But yeah, apart from that, everything else on this bag is absolutely pristine and in really good condition. The bar there has normal wear and tear, which you can also see on this one, the black that I've been using. Do let me know what you think of this bag. Do let me know what your thoughts are. I'm excited to use this bag and style this bag. I know I'm going to get a lot of wear in terms of functionality, but it'd just be interesting to see how I would style this color. I don't have many gray bags, so there is definitely room for this bag in my collection. I do want to keep this video very quick because my camera is dying, so I just wanted to say, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts of the bag in the comment section below, and as always, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one.